Testicles 1 2 3. Testicles 1 2 3.
So Luke and I were at, where were we? Alton Park, and we said the man on the tannoy should start saying things like this.
Labia in front of phalange, ovarian tube, overtaking peni, up on the inside of vagina.
Welcome back to Trio on Track. Today we are at Snetterton. We have Luke, who's not feeling very well. We have Tommy, who always feels great.
Always on form.
Always. And then you have me, who isn't going to throw up today.
I wouldn't break that.
Here, hold that.
Sure. I actually helped him then, and I really didn't want to.
So, good news everyone, I've brought my own helmet today, so I don't have to sweat in anyone else's.
Helmet.
I am a helmet, thank you. I am about to give myself some breakfast so I can take my sick tablet so I don't throw up. It's a little bit backwards to eat before going out on track, but in my head I give it half an hour, you guys can go out, have some cycling laps, and then I'll find a place to film you going around the track. But in the meantime, welcome back to Trio on Track, welcome back to Snetterton. Shut up! If you're not already subscribed, subscribe, and let's go on with today.
But what?
The channel of Patchworks and the Trio
You've
on
not covered
Track
the fact.
playlist.
Sorry, I was really aggressive and I want to tone back that aggression.
Yeah.
I'd
Calm
like
yourself.
to cover, because on the last video that's just gone live, you two helped me look at installing the bar for the harness. We've now got the harnesses in.
They do look fantastic, I must admit.
So yeah, harnesses are in.
How many people did it take to install them, Tommy?
Well, technically there was 4 of us there.
Right.
How many years have I known you now? 20 what?
Well, you're both
20.
over the age of
Should we go
40,
20?
so it's got to be more than 20.
24 years. I've never been so proud. Never been so proud. He took the bull by the horns and did an install.
I did a thing.
He did a thing.
We're all proud of you for it.
Welcome back to Trio on Track.
So, track day essentials here with me. I used these Quell's anti-sickness tablets on my Alphaholics tour and they worked magically. So my thinking is, if I can go around the Pyrenees Mountains and not throw up, then they should work at Snetterton in the UK. I have protein granola, blueberries and cashew nuts, and a yogurt and a banana, because I can't have them on an empty stomach. Something to breakfast. You film with your breakfast? No, I just wanted to tell them what I was having, and then also...
It's a good nice table, some bite for you. Eating before you get sick. I mean, I heard the screech of the camera then as it pushed me down the road. Made T-Rex noise.
What's this? Oh, sorry, mate. Oh, I forgot to take the one thing I need to take. One tablet every 6 hours. I might have to take 2 today.
Sighting lap Luke did.
Okay.
So this is my first time driving this track ever.
Nice.
It felt nice when Luke was turning in and stuff, but obviously you're only 50% on. There's some big curbs. There's some fast corners. There's looking forward to it.
Okay. Okay. hard on the brakes, third into second. Oh dear, that's my heavy corner. Up into third. Dab on the brakes. With the nose on the curb a little bit. Hold it, and out the exit. Nice. I'm looking out for spots that I need to film out. That's a good one. Another tight left-hand bend down to third, into second. And the exit. Third for a little. Big one from Tom. Yeah. That's probably quite quick actually. Another right hand bend. Keep it in third because this is just before the long straight. Use all the track and then we're ready to go. Hey, I'm doing well, is it? Those clouds really work. That's 110 max. 110. Hard on the brakes, into third, fourth. Yes, oh, red flag, is it? Red flag. Red flag, which means someone's either come off or being told off. Who knows? How does the car feel? Alright?
Good. Yeah, she's nice. Been a while since I've driven on it last, because obviously we didn't lean on it much at Thruxton,
yeah,
because
we've had a few issues, haven't we?
yeah,
So car feels really.
brakes feel nice. The Tarox stuff really comes alive once you've got some heat into it.
Yeah, absolutely. The tyres feel great actually.
Yeah.
Even though we had AO52s on the front, which I was actually saying in another video before this, they're unbelievably grippy. But the AD09s that we've got on at the minute are
They're lovely.
fantastic.
They're lovely.
They're slightly better for the road, I think, aren't the AD09s?
Yeah, I'm not quite sure of the difference. I know that Darren and Luke have nerded out on them.
Yeah.
But
I think it's actually something to do with water displacement. The only difference is that they're better in the wet. But the AO52s are phenomenal in the wet as well. So
yeah, I tell you what's really nice is the way that Luke's got the car set up. I think they're 225s on the front and 205s on the rear.
yeah, I think so.
And it sounds abnormal, but the way that the camber's set up on it, and the way that this car is just designed to go into the corners,
yeah, it really works, doesn't it?
it just turns and goes. Yeah.
It's twitchy. I've not looked at the speedo
okay.
but
Yeah.
start the back straight. I got excited and shouted to Patrick, we're doing that's 100, but by the last lap we were doing 115 before we were braking under that bridge.
I said we'd be over,
And
didn't I?
it is,
Funny spider.
you have got to get stopped to turn, because that sharp one with the big bubble on it comes at you quick.
Yeah. I bet.
But then when you come round and that last open corner, so you get the bit that loads you up and you come right all the way around before you stop and turn left and come up here,
yeah.
I feel bad because it wants to be in third, but you're like 7,000-8,000 RPM and it's like, I don't like this.
Yeah.
So you go into fourth and the whole car's like, it's like
It's really
fucking
fun. Really fun.
So
yeah, your aim is to beat 115.
150. Is that the lap time?
no, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Just say 115 round here.
100 miles an hour.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Little black Clio was pulling away from us at the start, but we overtook it at the end.
Oh, good.
So I'm happy with that.
Clios are the enemy, although
Yeah.
I love a Clio.
So yeah, and then the guy in the Hyundai that's an absolute tool, but we let him know that, so that's right.
Good, strong Hyundai.
Yeah,
Good strong
straight
Good strong
line car. I've
Hyundai.
got a fast car on a track day. My car's faster than
I'd
yours.
like some. I would like.
won't sit?
I would like
sit?
some.
You feel
some
okay?
well done, mate. I feel great. I want to go out again.
Right, you go out and make him sick. I won't time you because you're not allowed, and then you won't time me next time.
Aces.
I tell you what, I won't time you now. So we've had 2 sessions
After lunch.
not being timed because you're not allowed.
Yeah.
and then we'll do each other later on.
Sure.
Brakes. Brakes. They're great until we lost them once, but I think that's because they just got a little bit hot.
Cookie.
Yeah, I got enthusiastic. So as you come, you go round, down, back round. You come round this long straight to here where you go left.
Yeah.
Once you go left, it loves that bend like left. You can actually just pin it.
Yeah.
But then what you've got to do is the bend that then goes right, it comes at you really quickly and it's actually reasonably sharp. And I've not quite got that right yet. So twice I really let on the brakes. Second time, the pedal wasn't there.
With a case right in front of us.
Cookie, hot.
But that long open one onto the straight, just let her have her in third, mate, and pin her tight to the right, and she
So good. She felt great.
She's
really
well.
good.
Right. Oh, pressures.
Yeah, Darren. Oh yeah, tyre pressures as soon as you come in.
Yeah. Not chat.
It's your fault because you're chatting. You smell the brakes.
I know. That used to make me feel sick, but because of this new sick tablet, which I'm going to be an advocate for.
Heads up.
You almost died.
Wouldn't have stopped.
What are the pressures at? I'm going to say hot. How? She's heating them. She's got some meat in there, pal.
Okay, 5.
Oh yeah, drop them down to 27. Wait.
Is there not a contraption that means?
Yeah, look, put it on and then
Yeah, but it's quicker to get it out like this, isn't it?
It's not.
No, put it on.
What are you doing?
It's
You can't do it. Oh, how hard is that?
Oh, it's so slow.
Yeah, it's quicker to try and fucking put a rounded edge
You're the
into it.
tyre guy.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Ah!
Don't, he's delicate.
I'll do the dust caps because you clearly can't do them.
I'm not looking at you right now.
Why?
I'm choosing not to.
What's the matter with you, eh?
See?
What's the matter with you? Hey!
So, Tommy has gone out on his own. Luke isn't feeling very well. So we've sent Tommy out on his own. We've got a GoPro in there, so we'll capture that and cut to him when he's coming past. But we're coming to the grandstand to see one of the corners, another straight, and then another corner. And you've got quite a good view from this grandstand, so hopefully we'll be able to get some good shots of him coming round.
There he is.
Well, I must admit, there's not really that many good places to try and get shots of the car going around, so I've got a few, but we'll probably just do more in-car stuff because it's really hard to see them going around with all the barriers and restrictions that are at Snetterton. But it looked good. It looked good. Was he consistent time-wise?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, he was.
Nice. So he's just doing a cool-down lap, so we'll go meet him, and then...
As much as he's a prick,
Yeah.
because he is a prick,
Correct.
he does drive annoyingly well, and he's annoyingly consistent. And he's, considering he's a prick, you would assume he'd drive like a prick, but he doesn't. He's quite smooth. So it's like,
Does that annoy you?
It's annoying me that he's a prick that's annoying, that doesn't drive like an annoying guy. Does that make sense?
No, it does make sense.
My expectations of him is to be a complete asbo twat, because that's who he is. And yeah, he doesn't drive like that, and that's fucking annoying.
I realise it. We've got underboob strap. No.
How was that?
Good. I like that. I've now started to realise. 117, by the way.
117.
I scared myself.
You stopped the GoPro.
No,
I'll do that.
That's you're the content guy.
Oh mate, calm down.
I've now realised at the end of the long straight, I was scrubbing everything off third and then trying to get into second to turn it, but actually you can carry third all the way around.
Oh really? That's good.
Yeah, in my cool down lap, coming up the start finish, I was like, there's a car coming, I put my indicator on, obviously, the GT3 RS came past, and I was like, maybe we won't have a warm down lap. So shifted into fourth, tried to hustle him around that bottom bend, got into the little apex at the bottom. He was like, gone. So okay, cool down lap.
See you.
Thank you.
Same as last time.
Yeah, VSA, engine warning light, everything. Fuck's sake.
What's the strap from when you turned it on?
Yeah, I put the ignition on, it went ding. I was like, oh, that's just.
Yeah.
And then I looked down and it was VSA and then engine warning light.
Took the battery off.
That's what we did last time. We didn't fix it. The problem was still there, weren't it?
The same problem has literally just occurred. We've just gone out at lunch. An hour early.
We had fad lab problems, isn't it? I drove it just before lunch, pulled up, fine, turned it off.
It's been great all day.
Yeah, we beat on it today. Got this out the way, hold the bonnet.
Is this where you found the issue last time? Is this how you fixed it?
Yeah, so it's had a VTEC controller. Oh fuck, that's hot.
Careful, Luke, that's hot.
No, that's not
I'm
helping.
helping.
That's not helping.
Really smooth through there. What?
Can I help?
Thank God. I don't want help.
You don't want help?
You helping isn't helping.
He doesn't want help.
You just can't help some people. He's poorly, though, might get in a bit.
No.
Oh.
He's helping. Luke, he's helping.
Get his stance.
He does this wide squat when he's working on the car.
Because he likes.
I fucking.
Go on.
I can't get in there because Dickie.
Go on, I'll stop. I'll
No.
stop.
Go on, we're not.
I promise you, I'll stop. Go on.
Careful, it's hot.
Yeah, but Darren's tough.
He's so brave.
So strong.
Brave. and
So
hot. Like
frickin'
Teflon.
brave.
When they made him, because he wasn't born.
he was made.
But. Still doing it.
Doing it?
Yeah.
Is that where you're going to assume the position?
Oh, mate, that is.
Careful, mate. It's alright. Daddy's got you.
We will be right back when we fix the car. Welcome back. We fixed the car. As you can tell, we're in it, so it's fixed.
Warning light's not on anymore.
Sure. So we'll see how we go. Actually, I might. I might turn that way. What the fuck? What?
Well, thanks a lot.
What?
Unplug that.
How do I?
Just clip it at the back. That's it.
And then what?
A little lip. A little plastic lip.
I've unclipped it.
I've had that for so many years.
Well, that's ruined our front-facing camera.
How have you done that?
I don't actually know.
I don't know how you've done that.
Oh, well, let's fix it when we come back. Okay. All the cheese. Firebomb, I heard it crackle.
No, he's no.
Is he getting to that
He's
point?
right on the edge.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. I'm not well. That's not helping. Every time we go out, and this is why I tolerate Tom. It's not a friendship.
But you'd miss it if I didn't.
It's consistency.
Consistency is key.
Consistency.
I mean, it's fun because you keep doing this.
Do you know
right,
what?
you could insert the bead. Just like
He's done. He's hit the limit.
Fucking push it up.
Is he just taking the keys?
hey, mate, get out of the car.
Huh?
Do you want to unlock it?
Can't. Good luck locking it.
Oh, we can't do anything because the battery's off.
And thus here ends the trio on track.
Oh, fuck off.
Baby.
Oh,
Baby.
I had to try to stay in bed.
Who's your bed? Who's your bed? Yeah, I can see.
Right, that
got
clip's
it.
back on.
It's on, yeah.
You're well enough to do that. You're well enough to fix the car, mate.
No, I'm not well enough to. That's took a bit. It's took it out of me to do that.
Try it. Turn it on. See if it works. Come on. Put the battery. Connect the battery.
Put the battery back on.
Put the battery back on. Where's the 10mm gone, huh? Oh no, I got it. It's just there, isn't it? Do you want to do it?
I'll do it.
No. You fuck yourself, huh?
Okay.
You go away. You go sit in the car. See you later. Goodbye.
Put that in there, mate. Do that up.
Get off me. Get off.
I'm helping.
No, you're not. Get off me. Get off me.
It's gone off.
Start it.
Gone off.
Yep. Tommy's fixed it. Without any of your help.
Fuck off!
What? He's literally. You gave up.
You gave me the key.
You did. You literally had a fucking hissy
I
fit.
pushed the plug
Gave
back
up,
on.
and he's done it.
And I turned it back on this bit.
Alright, that's you fixing it.
You need a
Alright.
attitude adjustment, mate. Yeah.
The camera won't lie. Patrick will play it back.
I literally.
You
I'll put it back
quit,
right now. It's done. He's hit the limit.
Fucking push it up. How
Yeah.
far? How
And
far?
threw the key at
You
me.
literally threw
How
the
far
key at
you
him.
push me sometimes?
I've noticed that.
I'm not fucking well.
You're not well, mate. I didn't know that.
You've not mentioned it in the last minute. Mate, I'll just drive, right? I'll just drive. That's what I do.
just drive the car. I drive the bus and I drive the car.
This is my house, Anthony. Place.
Get the bus and I drive the bus and the car.
Are you saying puss or bus?
Blow up the bus
Oh, bus.
and I blow up the car. I'm not very well today. Get off my 10mm. I'll say this. This is going in that console.
Yeah. Oh, where was it? Where was it when you went to get it?
It fucking stays in there.
It's in the console, so shut up moaning.
This is Steve Cliff's 10mm.
That's it, you pushed the violence. The old man's fighting back.
Ow! Get my back on there now.
It's another thing from
I'm over 40.
over the hill. How's your keys?
So close.
Yes! I'm old, but he forgets he's over 40 as well. So he's rapidly catching me up. What's up, mate?
Oh, yeah, that's
No,
the.
Matt. What's up, mate? Talk to me about where it's hurting. Is it your hips?
It's home right on my asshole. Do you want to see it?
Yeah. Go on then. Go on then. Because your spring.
got my knees.
Go on then. Look. Yeah, you're struggling, mate. That's it.
Peter, not so pan.
Peter fucking deadpan.
Peter.
Peter hip pan.
Peter, hip.
Look at me shake my hip, or maybe not, because I fucking got a bad hip, because I'm more than 40 years old.
We're now getting strapped in.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Rolling. Oh, what is that? What is that? Is that Vaseline?
My friend is runner grease.
Or hot frothy ejaculate. Hot frothy ejaculate. Okay. Now remember, you have to talk to the camera.
Oh right, yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I did like a little running commentary for Tom because he's got closed-faced helmet. Now, in previous videos, I've told you that the driving styles of Luke and Tommy are very different, and in this video, you'll probably see the difference by my body moving like that. Heavy on the brakes. We've lost brakes. Yeah. Like completely? Yeah, I'd say so. I mean, I can smell that. The brake smell is really joyous. Oh, look at the grip! Oh! The grip was insane! Third gear here, chuck it in, kick power, yeah. Way faster, nice. There you go. I reckon second gear here. Leave it in third here. Chuck it in, find the grip. You lean on the tyres so much, it's unreal. They've got so much grip. Double overtake. Switch. Third here. Hold it. Turn in. A little bit of squirrels. Yeah. He's got it. Coming up to Tommy's favourite corner. Luke's even getting fourth. Tap with the brakes. Turn it in. second in this gear. This corner, sorry. Yeah, that's nice. That's good. Oh my god! That was so much sauce! My mouth is so dry! That was unreal! What a moment!
Oh, fuck me. Fucking hell.
What is in that Polo GTI? It's rapid!
really getting to grips with now. That hairpin you've got pinned.
Yeah. I'm actually getting used to this one into here now.
Yeah, that one you can actually do. What were you, third or fourth?
Doing that one third and
Yeah.
holding it. This
Yeah.
one, I fucking love this one.
This is a great corner. Now, Luke smashes the brakes here. We're dropping way down. Sonic GTR and a Porsche. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my god!
Tires have gone off.
That was so good. Literally had the fucking GTR come past us. I was like, sick! And then there was a Porsche in there as well. Oh, so good.
I got distracted by the Porsche. I think the Porsche's coming. And then I was in the wrong gear. I was like, oh no.
Fucking.
That is going to conclude today's video. What? No, I said, are you ill, mate?
Tell you what you said. Nothing. You didn't even ask me.
Right.
I don't want to know now.
No,
I'm not saying anything for the rest of the video.
Finish the video.
I don't even want to know because I'm offended by proxy.
What? Have you had a good day? Wow. Fine. I'll just close it out myself then, shall I? No friends. Nothing. You both shit. In fact,
I
do
like
you know
you.
what?
Darren, have you had a good day?
I've had a wonderful day, Patch. Have you had a good day?
I've had a great day. I've not thrown up.
No. The sick tablets worked.
Sick tablets worked a fucking treat, and I am ready for the next one. I am gonna get myself a track car, however.
You have a track.
I know, but I'm gonna bring it
Oh, right.
at some point and get it on the road so I can then drive it, because being a passenger is great,
Driving is
but I
better.
want to drive. What are you two doing? You're not part of this anymore.
Oh no, sorry, I'm just talking to my mate Darren.
Sorry, we were in the middle of filming, so if you couldn't interrupt, that'd be great.
Oh,
Sorry, mate. Have you got a media
Did we
pass?
interrupt?
Right.
Have you got a media
It
pass?
hasn't got a
Are
media
you
pass.
insured
No,
to
it
do
wasn't
this?
Yeah, he's insured,
He's
but
not
it wasn't
insured,
allowed a
mate.
media
Are you
pass.
insured now?
I am insured, yeah.
Have you got a media pass?
Were you insured when you came here?
Don't need one to be in here, mate.
Do you do? That's what you said.
No. Over there, mate.
No. You see, technically said that.
No.
All I want to know is, are you insured?
Yep, fully.
This is going to sound a stupid question. I don't
Yeah, it does sound
want
stupid,
to sound something that might not be it. But if you two live next to each other, on the way home, or
Before we leave.
You
Oh,
worded
yeah.
that so differently to me. You were like, thank fuck I don't have to give Patch a lift home.
literally,
Yeah. Sorry, it's my
I hit my
wife.
head in the whole way here.
Yeah, just doing a video to finish
And on that note,
up. Right, yeah.
thanks for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.
He's
Sorry, hang on.
poorly.
Hang
He's
on.
poorly.
Stacey, you need to say like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, okay.
No, you need to say it.
Like, share, subscribe.
There you go.
Thank you, Stacey.
Stay tuned for the next video.
Successful.
It was a fantastic day.
Yeah.
I didn't throw up. You two drove phenomenally,
So did Darren.
Some
and Darren drove great.
more better than others.
Well, you were poorly, mate. So like,
Yeah, you've been poorly today, haven't you?
Have you noticed that? I was
I
trying to
picked
hide
up
it.
on something.
I was trying to hide it
Picked up on something.
because I'm strong.
stay
like
tuned for the next video. Bye, everyone.
that. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Hmm.